Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Monday the 3rd. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you had a nice weekend, and hope you're ready to get started with today's math. And hopefully, you're actually watching me or listening to me on the computer. I hope that it's working today. All right, what I say you're responsible for. So let's jump right into this, okay? Today we're going to take notes. Tomorrow, more notes. Wednesday, homework, okay? No school on Thursday and Friday. So enjoy your 4-day weekend. We're going to have some quizzes next week and a test next Wednesday, okay? So make note of that. Actually, that's been changed. Sorry about that. I'm getting a little old here. You have a test a week from Monday. All right. So we'll have some quizzes next week, and that's week, and a test a week from Monday. Okay. All right. Moving on. At this time, please turn in your test corrections. Now, Ian, you do not need to turn these in. You can skip this assignment. Okay. Incompletes for track 1. Let's see what we have here. Okay, and that's not it, obviously. That's algebra 2. Let's try this again. Okay, let's see. I think this was supposed to be turned in already, Brianna. You were absent Friday, weren't you? So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. It's got to be turned in today, or it's going to be a 0. Okay, you can contact me if you have any questions, and I try to work with students on that. But I'm just communicating. Okay, Elizabeth, let's say if you get this turned in by Wednesday before the week's over. Okay, because Wednesday is the last day of school. Now, quiz number 8 by tomorrow. Brianna and Ethan, okay? Quiz by tomorrow. If there's a problem with that, let me know, okay, guys? Quiz by tomorrow. And then, let's see. Now, this was weird. This was very unlike you guys. I gave this assignment here on Thursday. It was due on Friday, lesson 3.3, and only 2 people turned it in. I'm assuming you guys probably, without the computer working, it was probably a little hectic. You guys switched rooms, so on and so forth, okay? And I'm assuming because of that, things were a little crazy. So you guys probably have it done, but whoever did not turn it in, Cooper and Elizabeth were the only 2 that turned it in. I've got to have this by Tuesday, tomorrow, or it will be a permanent 0. Okay, so please take care of that. All right, moving on. Today we're going to go over your quiz number 6, and we're going to take notes. All right, I'm going to have you do something I don't usually do, but I am going to require you to finish the teaching video tonight for homework. Very sorry, but we've missed a lot of class, and I'm not giving you any other homework. Okay, so please finish. You probably have about 30 minutes. Maybe 20-30 minutes to do tonight, but I'm not giving you any homework, so it's totally fair. All right, the video today is about types of proofs. Excuse me. So far we have been using 2-column proofs. Today we're going to learn to use 2 more types or styles of proofs. There's the teaching video, types of proofs, pretty long. Okay, at this time, let's go over your quiz number 6. So please, everyone, get out your quiz number 6 and listen to me carefully. Now, you were allowed to solve. Let's learn this right now, guys, because this is pretty basic math, okay? And by the way, the quizzes were pretty good. There were A's and B's. There were 2 F's, okay, on this quiz. But for the most part, the grades were pretty good. Now, let me get my pen working here. Okay, hold on a second. All the other problems, of course, numbers 1 through 9 were fill in the blanks. You can look those up on your own. And still not working, huh? All right. Okay, guys, here we go. All right, now, you could use either the substitution method or linear combination, okay? Now, substitution, here we go. I'm going to get y by itself right here because y is the only letter without a number, without a variable. So, I'm going to go fast. You can watch this later if you need to, okay? Okay, bring the 2x over, it's positive. Bring it over and make it negative. Now, y still negative, you can't just drop the sign, okay? So y still negative, go through and change all of your signs. And there's what y equals. Y equals 15 plus 2x. So go into your other equation, and where the y is, put 15 plus 2x, okay? Negative 3x, then a positive 5, then for the y, put a parentheses and put 15 positive 2x equals 47. Now you have an equation with x's only. So first of all, let's simplify both sides. On the right side over here, there's nothing to simplify. However, on the left side, there's a lot of simplification. Take your 5 and multiply it through. 5 times 15, 75. 5 times 2x, 10x. Now there's some more simplifying. An x term and an x term. So, negative 3, positive 10 is positive 7x. Notice it's not x squared, okay? And if you struggle with your sign numbers, then use a calculator. Negative 3, positive 10, positive 7. Now let's solve for x. Bring your 75 over and make it a negative 75, okay? And you're left with 7x equals negative 28. Divide both sides by 7, and x equals negative 4, okay? Now, if x equals negative 4, pick up your negative 4 and put it in for x right here. All right. So y equals, well, 15, positive 2, negative 4. These are multiplying. So do your multiplication first. Positive 2, negative 4, negative 8. And then combine, and you get 7, okay? Negative 4, 7. Now, linear combination, okay? Linear combination. We're going to get rid of one of our variables. I'm going to choose to get rid of my y, okay? Because well, I'll show you why. There's a 5 right above it. And remember, I'm not trying to teach the material. I've already taught this, okay? I'm not being impatient. I've already taught this. I'm just trying to go over it and help you find your mistakes, okay? You should know that linear combination means I'm getting rid of one of my variables. Now, excuse me. If I multiply this bottom equation by 5, which I'm allowed to do as long as I do it to everything in this equation right here, I'll get a negative 5 right here, because right now there's a negative 1. And if I do that, my y's will cancel. Just watch and see. So my top equation stays the same. My bottom equation is 10x, 5 times 2, negative 5y, 5 times negative 1, and then negative 75, 5 times negative 15. Add these two equations together. These cancel out. Positive 5, negative 5. Positive 10, negative 3 is negative 7, or positive 7x. Positive 47, negative 75 is negative 28. Divide both sides by 7, and you're left with negative 4. Now, you can put negative 4 in for x here, or here, or here, or here. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose here because I have space down below to work, okay? So 2x, parentheses, put negative 4, negative y equals negative 15. 2 times negative 4, negative 8, negative y, negative 15. Bring your negative 8 over and make it a positive 8. Negative y, negative 7. So y equals 7, okay? So your answer is negative 4, 7. Now, real quick, and I'll be done, okay? Hang in there, okay? It's going to be a long class period today. You're going to take notes the whole hour. I don't do that very often, okay? You know that. Today you're going to have to man up and woman up and just be ready to do that, okay? Now, some of you might have chosen to eliminate your X's. I'm going to go really fast and I'm done. If you chose to do that, no problem. I have a 3 and a 2. If I can make them both become a 6, negative and positive, then they'll cancel out. So multiply the top equation by 2, the bottom equation by 3, and here's what we get. Negative 6x, positive 10y, 94. 6x, negative 3y, negative 45. Okay? All right. Now, and something's telling me I made a mistake somewhere. No, we're good. Okay, so now combine your two equations. These cancel. You'll get 7y equals positive 49. Divide both sides by 7 and y equals 7. All right? Now you can put y in for 7 and for y here, 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 or here. It doesn't matter. I'm going to choose this one here because I have room below to work. So 2x, then a negative sign, then a parentheses, then 7 equals negative 15. 2x, negative 7 equals negative 15. Bring the 7 over and make it a positive 7. And 2x equals negative 8. Divide both sides by 2, and x equals negative 4. Okay? So either way, you get the same answer, negative 4, comma 7. All right? Okay, let's move on. We'll go over quiz number 7 when everyone has taken it. And that's all for today. Please get to work on your notes. Have a great day today. Please do not forget to finish your notes at home tonight, okay? I'll have no way of knowing whether or not you did that. So please do it, okay? Contact me if you have any questions.